Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add or remove members from your Outlook contact group. So let's get started. First, open Outlook and sign in using your email ID and password. On the main dashboard, click on the people option or people icon on the left side. This will take you to your contact list. Now find on contact group you want to edit and then click on that. Now you will see the members tabs. If you want to remove a member, click on the cross button next to their name. Or if you want to add a new member, then you will see at the top of your screen there is the option of add members. Once you click on that, you have to select from your contacts or type their email here and then click on add and then hit save to apply changes. And you are done. You have successfully updated your Outlook contact group in just a few clicks. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.